Assalamualaikum students of 6th class. The today's assignment is this essay says morning walk. You have to write it on your neat notebooks. Open your notebooks with proper head and prepare pages with proper heading, clarification work, and proper date and day and margin lines. And the essay here, I have printed this essay here. You can copy this one, or you can even write an essay on your own. A morning walk is good exercise for all. Many people who get up early in the morning, so go for a walk. Morning walk is the best exercise. It is very helpful for our health. It improves our health. जो लोग सुबह सवेरे उठते हैं वो सुबह की सैर के लिए जाते हैं, जो कि सेहत के लिए बहुत अच्छी है. It improves our health and very helpful for it is very helpful for our health. It is useful for the body as food. The fresh air is very useful for our lungs. ताज़ा हवा हमारे फेफड़ों के लिए बहुत फ़ायदेमंद है. ये हमारे जिस्म के लिए ऐसे ही ज़रूरी है जैसे खुराक. We enjoy the beautiful scenery of nature. The cool breeze refreshes us. We hear the chirping of birds. We see the farmers plowing the fields on the farm. I am very fond of morning walk. I get up early in the morning. I go to the Nehru Park every day. And for the next one, the rising sun then begins to shine in the east. It looks very beautiful in the park. Everything looks very fresh and blooming. Some people are seen doing exercise. The dew drops on the grass looks very lovely. We walk barefooted on the green grass. After 1 hour we return from the garden. So you can even write your own essay. It will be much appreciated. Until next video lecture, Allah Hafiz.